Hello, my name is John. I'm demonstrating NoTamperData, a Google Forms add-on that provides blockchain-based verification of form responses. This video shows why each OAuth permission is necessary for our privacy-preserving system. When users install NoTamperData, they see this consent screen requesting for permissions. Each permission serves a specific purpose. Let me demonstrate how we use each one. The first permission, view and manage forms in Google Drive, corresponds to the forms.current only scope. It mentions Drive because forms are stored in Drive as Drive files, but this permission only accesses forms where you install NoTamperData. It cannot see other Drive files, documents, or even other forms. See this form ID. That's metadata linking responses to blockchain records without exposing any actual data. The Drive permission also includes reading form responses to generate cryptographic hashes. All processing happens within Google's secure environment. Here is what happens behind the scenes. We only generate SHA-256 hashes. The actual data like names, emails, survey, and other survey responses never appear in the logs or get transmitted. They stay securely in Google. The second permission connect to external services corresponds to the script.external request scope. This sends data to our blockchain API. We only send hashes, never the actual response data. Let me show you what data we actually send. Only hash, string, and metadata, form ID, response ID, timestamps, and no names, emails, or other survey responses. Just cryptographic proof stored on the Cardano blockchain. That permission display and run third-party web content in prompts and sidebars. The script, this corresponds to the script.container.ui scope. This displays our sidebar interface where you control everything. Without this permission, there'd be no interface to process responses, test connections, or configure settings. This is your control panel for our blockchain verification. The fourth permission allows this application to run when you are not present. This one. This enables automatic batch processing on your schedule. That could be daily, weekly, or even every few hours. Without this permission, you'd manually process every response. This automation ensures continuous verification without constant oversight. Users can easily stop the automation through the add-on interface by just disabling the processing. Let me show you the complete workflow. from the submission to verification. You first click process responses for the manual processing. After a few moments, a hash has been generated and sent to our API, which stores it in Cardano blockchain. This is the verification interface for our website. This is the hash stored in the blockchain. For users to verify the data integrity, they have to export a CSV from Google Forms, which they later upload to our website in future when verification is needed, and a hash is generated on the UI, which is then sent and checked against the record of the blockchain. So I'll verify a CSV file that I exported. And now I can see it's valid, stored on Cardano's test network at the moment. And then here is the transaction hash that was used to store the data. And here is the data hash. I can download the verification report. And I can see all the other details relating to the verification. Form response, to summarize, form responses stay in Google Forms. Hashing happens within the Google environment. Only SHA-256 hashes reach our blockchain API. Each of the 4 permissions serves one specific purpose: from access, API communication, interface display, and automatic processing, all while keeping user data secure. NoTamperData provides cryptographic proof of data integrity without compromising privacy. Every permission is justified and minimal. Thank you.